All right, it's Monday, April 29th, just following up on the SPY. You can see it's made another push lower to take out the liquidity of the pre-market low. So bought some puts here after it took out the first little wave of liquidity and kind of held in this area, expecting it might come down to take that out. So I kind of exited with a base hit trade here. I bought those 515 puts at 704. They're up to 824 now. I exited at 785 when it kind of came down and took out, our target here, which were these pre-market lows. And now we get to see really what unfolds as the daily chart has about 45 minutes to go. Are we just coming down to the halfway point of the prior day, taking out liquidity, and we're going to hold up here and work higher as the week moves on, or is this the start of a failure? It's hard to say at the moment, given we don't know how this is closing. But if this closes with a 2-up red bar and we get a 2 down tomorrow, that could be the chain reaction to see if we can get to the midpoint of that week and have a weekly inside bar failure to the upside. So far, and we have the reference point of the open of the week here. So as long as we stay below there, we can maybe anticipate that we could be failing. But if we just kind of hold in here, we have all week long on the 2-up week, to get to these targets up here as well. And maybe this is just a little pause to start off the week, and we get through the open tomorrow and for the rest of the week and head a lot higher on the daily chart. So, obviously, I anticipated if we came down here, we'd probably, just like that first move down, had a little bit of a pause. Now we're getting that pause in here, but it's red so far on the day. We'll see where this thing closes. And if we can close strongly red, then you're almost kind of anticipating we can get the potential 2 down follow through tomorrow and maybe a weekly failure as well unfolding. So a lot will depend on how this bar closes. For now, we've just taken out liquidity to the downside in an overall choppy day. So let's just see what unfolds for the rest of the day. We'll do a recap and then, that should lead us to kind of think about some of the expectations for the rest of the week.